Hi there, and welcome back to the Amoretti kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make a really fun Halloween cocktail called a Bloody Good Margarita. So if you're ready, let's get started. For our first step, we're going to make a basic margarita base. So we just have 1.5 ounces of silver tequila, 1 ounce of lime juice, do 1 pump of our organic blue agave syrup, and next just some ice, and we'll shake it up. So before we pour our shaker into our margarita glass, we're gonna rim it with some lime juice here. And then I also have, it's a Hawaiian black sea salt. You can just get this on Amazon. It's a really fun garnish. You can use this for all kinds of Halloween drinks, so not just this one. So now we're just gonna pour the contents of our shaker into our margarita glass. Next is the fun part. We're gonna use some Grand Marnier. I have about 1/2 ounce here, our red food coloring, and also pomegranate craft puree to make kind of like a blood mixture to put in our syringe here to infuse our margarita. We're gonna add 1 pump of our pomegranate craft puree to our Grand Marnier here. Next, we're gonna add just a few drops of our red food coloring to this mixture here. You only need about 5 drops of it, and I do recommend using a dropper for this because it is very potent and it can stain your hands easily if you try to measure it with your cap. Give this a really good stir to make sure everything is nice and mixed together. And we have a nice little syringe here. We're gonna just suck up the contents of this container into it. It might not all fit, but that is okay. The majority of it does. And we're gonna gently place this into our margarita. Next, we have some pre-bloodied limes we're just gonna put on here for a garnish. All right, there you have it, a Bloody Good Margarita. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you do make this at home, be sure to tag us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter at Amoretti. Also, if you want to stay up to date on everything that's going on in the Amoretti kitchen, be sure to subscribe to our newsletter and our channel. Bye, we'll see you next time.